Meaning of defective.
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 Defective. The term defective refers to something that is faulty, flawed, or not functioning properly. It implies that there is an issue or problem that prevents the object from performing its intended function or meeting expected standards. A defective product or item may have physical damage, missing parts, or a manufacturing error that impacts its usability or safety. In some cases, defects may be minor and easily fixable, while in others, they may render the entire product unusable or increase the risk of harm to users.